This center replaces the 45-year-old obsolete animal shelter that the county outgrew years and years ago. The goal of the animal center is to meet the basic needs of animals in the county's care until the animals can be reclaimed by their owners, fostered, or placed in new homes. Prince William County residents can be proud of this state-of-the-art $16.7 million animal service center, which will serve the county for years to come.
This new center will do so much more, from caring for sick and injured animals to providing the public with a better experience in the pet adoption process.
Societies are judged and will be judged by history in certain ways, and I believe that we will be judged by how we care for our animals. I also want everybody to know that this would not be here today without volunteers, and there are 150 dedicated volunteers that have made this shelter work in tough times and in good times.
This is a facility which will be dedicated to the compassionate care of animals in our county. As you know, this center is a full-service, open admission shelter, which means we receive and accept animals of all types and in all conditions. The new facility will help us meet the ever-expanding demands of animal care services as our county continues to grow. We celebrate this modern and cutting-edge facility that will allow us to safely and better serve all those who walk, hop, and crawl through its doors.
We hope that as county residents visit our new facility, they will see the investment in the future of animal care. The opening of the Prince William County Animal Services Center presents a leap forward in the level of care that Prince William County can offer and represents the county's commitment to creating a more humane community.